everybody, it is Lisa. It's your favorite girl who is melting here in the Toronto heat. Let's do it. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. I'm melting. Okay, so the power has been off from 9 o'clock this morning. We got it back around 3 o'clock, but the AC is not working. I mean, look, I'm melting and I look like a big old mess. I mean, huge mess. I don't know what I'm doing here. Look at my big bird's nest on my head. Ooh, my makeup looks horrendous. It looks like I got too much dark down around here. Oh, it's just, I just can't wait to take it off my face. That's the truth. I just want it off my face. Okay, but I got Glossybox. So a few weeks ago, I'd say around 3 weeks ago, Glossybox came out with a special where they had 2 mystery boxes for $20 USD, and then you pay $5 Canadian shipping. So I'm like, okay, I'll grab it. You know, it's a mystery box, it's Glossybox. Let's hope it's good. I seen some spoilers, some different boxes, and one box that I seen, and I don't get Glossybox anymore. I just don't think for Canadian it's worth $35 for this box monthly, and that's how much it would cost you monthly, because it's just a lot of crap. Most boxes, it's a lot of crap, and I got Glossybox for well over a year and a half, almost 2 years actually. And even for Americans, for $21 a month, it's just a bunch of little tiny samples and crap. And especially in the States, there are so many awesome boxes you can get for cheaper than Glossybox, you know. So yeah, I finally canceled. You know, I just don't think it's worth for Canadians to pay that amount of money. But they came out with the 2 mystery boxes for $20, not $20 each, like $10 each USD plus $5 shipping. So I grabbed one, and I am praying, everybody, that the box that I seen, for some spoilers, I'm gonna, you know, I know you're looking at me with the scissors here going, be careful, wingnut. I'm praying that the box is in here. I'm praying, because it's got my favorite Arizona perfume that I can't get here in Canada, and it's also got my Laritzi cream bronzer that I can't, well, I'm sure I can get it somewhere, but, and it's all in the one box, and it's yellow. So I'm like, I'm gonna open it. I've been dying to open it, but I was waiting for the power to come back on, and I just wanted my response real, because I want the yellow box. Gee whiz. Okay, all right, we're gonna, oh my God, we're opening it. It's not yellow, is it? I know it's not yellow. I can't even see, but I know it's not yellow because I don't have that. Oh, I got the crap boxes. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I wanted the yellow box, the May 2018 box. All right, so we're going to unbox this one. I already got this one. This was in November 2018. I don't think I got this box, so I'll open this box first. I am so uber duper disappointed. So disappointed. You have no idea. I so wanted that yellow box. Everything in that box I loved. Oh my God, I'm so disappointed. I should have known better. You know, I should have known better, because Glossybox never leaves me with a good taste in my mouth. Never. I should have known better. All right, we're getting into this box here. Flippin', Jasu. Oh my Lord. Yeah, okay, wine, yeah, whatever. Oh, you don't even know. You don't even know. I so want, I would have had an extra bottle of my perfume. Okay, so we're going to unwrap this box. I didn't get this box. This box is, what month was this? Because I know I did not get this one, so I think it's one of the recent ones. I'm so buggered. You have no idea. So buggered. What box was this? April of 2019. I'm so buggered. Glossy goes green. Oh my God, I'm so sad. You don't even know. I'm so sad. Okay, get over it, Lisa. All right, we're getting into this box. So the first thing here is a plumper natural lip balm. The value of this is $14. It's full size. by Bye Bye Beauty. It is a lip balm plumper for a super moisturized and effortless look. Swiping this lip product over a matte lip color for extra hydration and shine. $14 value. The next thing in this box is an overnight Derma E Essentials overnight peel. The value of this is, okay, so a full size 2 ounce. This is not full size, this is 7 mil. So a full size of this is $18.99. This is 7 mil. I'm not even going to attempt to do the math. 7 mil, I don't know, $3 would be your value. Okay, what do you do here? Put it on before you go to bed at night. Derma E believes your skin health, blah, blah, blah. Non-abrasive alpha hydroxy acid. So you put it on before you go to bed at night. It's an overnight peel. Apply generously to clean skin before bed. Leave on overnight and rinse in the morning. Do it 1 to 2 times a week. Okay. Next thing in this box is this Juice Beauty Cream Stato Chic. Stato Chic. That's what I just said. Stato Chic. It's not, Lisa. Can you just tell my utter disappointment? Shadow Stick. Oh my God. Okay. Juice Beauty Shadow Stick value is $22. Let's see what color we have, shall we? Okay, for sheer look, we recommend a small stroke across the eyelid with minor blending. But if you want to be extreme, prep the eyelid first with a finishing powder and layer until you reach the desired effect. And this is in the shade, like I can see that. Oh my goodness, Stone. I need glasses. Oh, wow. Stone Rocher? I don't know. It's this color, everybody. It's a pretty color. I have another one of these sticks here. So it's that color right there. So it's like a, I don't know if you can call it a brown or a pinky brown. It's like a pinky brown. It's a shadow stick, $22. If you're not Arizona. Okay. Then we have these 2 little dinky, winky, tiny, inky little samples of Kiehl's, which was a waste of Glossy's time, let me tell you. Full size of that would be $38, but this is 5 mil. So we have 10 mil of Kiehl's Glow Formula. It's a moisturizer, pomegranate. Right? Okay. And last but not least, this is the only saving grace in here because I do love this shampoo and conditioner by John Masters Organic. So I really do like this. The shampoo was in that Glossybox that I wanted. It had this shampoo, it had the perfume, it had the low ritzy, and something else I can't remember. But at least I got the shampoo. Bonus, I got the shampoo, right? And the conditioner. This is really good for when you're going on a trip. All right, Glossybox. So yeah. This box would have cost me $35 Canadian if I were to buy it on its own, which I didn't. But I did buy this one, however. But I think I did like the 3-month and I had, I don't know, money in my account or something like that. So I didn't pay $35 for it, but I probably kind of paid maybe $25 for this box. So we're going to go into it. I love the box. The Glossybox's box are very nice. Can't take that away from Glossybox. They do have really nice boxes. So this is a really nice box, and this says, thank you for the love. And I believe it was their November Thanksgiving box. And you know what I don't understand? Glossybox in the UK and Germany and France, their boxes are freaking phenomenal. But not these ones, honey. In my personal opinion. Now, some of y'all might love Glossybox, but I think it's not worth $35 Canadian. All right, and again, this is my 3rd box. This box here, this is my 3rd time receiving this exact box, swear to God. Because I went to cancel, so I canceled, and then I resubscribed, and I forgot to not resubscribe until the next month, so I ended up getting this. Yeah, that's what I did. All right, this was, again, I think it was their November box. November, the spirit of the Thanksgiving season. Yep. That's what it was, everybody. Okay. Oh, God. I didn't like this box either. The redeeming quality in this box, if you like face masks, and these are really good and really expensive. This company's serum here, I actually got their actual bottle of serum in the All I Want Christmas box from Glossybox. I'm not sure, they might still be selling it, but I did, I made a video of it a while ago when they had it on special, the All I Want Christmas box. Not that Christmas calendar, but the the All I Want Christmas box. They had a full-size bottle of serum from this company, Serum. Really, really good serum. It's like $85, $90 US. But this is their sheet mask. And this sheet mask is $22. It's $22 for one. It's very, like, there's a lot of serum in it. So if you did receive this box, I suggest get a bottle, pour out the serum that's in here, and then you can just put a little bit on your face every day. It's a really, really good serum, and there's a lot inside of this. So pour out the excess, put it in a bottle, and you'll be good for a few months. But this is a really good company. I will try this sheet mask because I know it's a really good company. I'm not a big fan of sheet mask, but it's got retinol and vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it. So that box, $22 each, and oh Lord, here we go. Okay, so then we got the Lauren B Reparative Cuticle Oil, which I do believe I gave to Roxanne when I received it, and I think I gave this box to my mother-in-law for Christmas, something like that. $22, because this is my third one, so this is $22. It's for your nails. Then we have some hairspray, which I don't use. And the full size of this is $19, but this is not full size. And it's hairspray. Then we got this really strong smelling from Robin McGraw, who is Dr. Phil's wife. Her lotion, it's $20 value, and it's very freaking strong. Not even going to open it. Very strong. And last but not least, we got this Blessed lipstick from Steve Laurent, $22, and I think this is my fifth one of this eggplant lipstick that we've received, oh my God, last October, November, and December. I swear to God, in every subscription box that was out there. I think this is literally my fifth one of these. I'm not going to open it, but it's called Eggplant. So, yeah, everybody, that's the Glossybox mystery box. If you happen to get the yellow one from May 2018, girl, you got lucky because you got some good stuff in that box. But, yeah, so this is all going to go in a giveaway because, like I said, this is my third time getting this box. And I don't wear hairspray. Somebody might like this lipstick, and I never do my nails, but if you do, this is a really good, great company. And, well, I find this really strong. If anybody out there likes Robin McGraw, let me know. And, but these masks, I'm gonna try one because I don't think I actually tried the ones that I had. I think I gave them away. And then we had this box, and like I said, I love the shampoo and conditioner. But I'm going to try that sleeping stuff, I think, from Derma Eve, because I've heard that's a really good company, so I'll try that. The rest of it, that's it, everyone. I would have been so chipper if it was a yellow box, but it wasn't. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And I will see you in my next giveaway. Bye. Love you.